Hello students, welcome to new video lecture which is living organism and their life processes, class 10. So today we are going to discuss about the energy from different food components. Proteins are the micromolecules formed by the bonding together many amino acid. Proteins of animal origin are called as first class protein. We get 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram of protein. Amino acid are obtained after digestion of protein. Those amino acids are absorbed in the body and transport up to each organ and the cell via blood. From these amino acids, organ and the cell produce various protein necessary from themselves and whole body perform his work. Some examples which we have seen on the screen is as follows. So, here we are seeing amino acid which gives blood, hemoglobin, antibodies, skin, myelin, next bones, osine, cells, various proteins of cell membrane, next pancreas, insulin, pituitary gland, various hormones, muscles, acetine and myosin, flexible proteins. This is the main function of proteins and the different amino acids which are obtained from the food. Energy from different food components. First one, carbohydrates. Excess of carbohydrates are stored in the livers and muscles in the form of glycogen. Proteins. Proteins are macromolecules formed by bonding together many amino acids. We get 4 kilocalorie energy per gram of proteins. Amino acids are obtained after digestion of protein. Those amino acids are absorbed in the body and transport up to each organ and the cell via blood. From these amino acids, organ and the cells produce various proteins necessary for themselves and the whole body. Proteins, some examples are there: skin, myelin, keratin. These proteins are necessary. Bones, osine protein is necessary. Cells, various proteins of the cell membrane, various enzymes. Pancreas, insulin, trypsin. Pituitary gland, various hormones. Muscles, actin and myosin, flexible proteins. Blood, hemoglobin, antibodies. Always remember, excess of amino acids are obtained from proteins are not stored in the body. They are broken down and the amino form is eliminated our body. If necessary, excess of proteins are converted into other useful substance like glucose through the process of gluconeogenesis. Plant produce the necessary amino acids from the minerals de novo and thereby produce different proteins. An enzyme, ribosco, represent in the plant's chloroplast is most abundant protein found in nature. We will discuss about it later. Lipids, the substances formed by the specific chemical bond between fatty acids and alcohol are called as lipids. You write down this definition. Digestion of lipids consumed by us is nothing but their conversion into fatty acids and alcohol. Fatty acids are absorbed up and distribute everywhere within the body. From those fatty acids, different cells produce various substances necessary to themselves. Example, the molecule called as phospholipids, which are essential for the producing plasma membrane, are formed from fatty acids. Besides, fatty acids are used for producing hormones like progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, aldosterone, etc., and the covering around the axons of the nerve cells. We get 9 kilocalorie of energy per gram of lipids. Excess of lipid are stored in the adipose connective tissue in the body. Vitamins. Vitamins are a group of a heterogeneous compound of which each is essential for the proper operation of various processes in the body. There are main 6 types of vitamins A, B, C, D, E and K. Out of this, A, D, E and K are fatty soluble, whether B and C are water soluble. Vitamins like riboflavin, vitamin B2 and nicotinamide, vitamin B5 respectively are necessary for their production. Water. There is 65 to 70% of water in our body. Each cell contains 70% of water by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. Function of the cell and thereby whole body disturbs even if there is little loss of water from the body. Hence, water is essential nutrient. Fiber. Fibers are also essential nutrients. In fact, we cannot digest the fibers. However, they help in the digestion of other substances and egestion of undigested substances. We can obtain the fiber from the leaf vegetables, fruits, cereals, etc. Food components are necessary for the growth and the maintenance of a body. These are called as nutrients. Various nutrients are required for our body in the form of glucose, carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, dietary fibers and water. Different kind of food is rich with a different kind of nutrients. So, a diet must include mixture of food material which will all these nutrients will get. Let's have a brief understanding over this. Carbohydrates. First we are going to discuss about it. This is the energy giving substances such as sugar and starch. Various kind of sugar means the sucrose, portable sugar which we added in the tea, glucose, etc. Starches are main grains, pea, potato, corn, etc. are the source of carbohydrates. Fats. These can produce high amount of energy than carbohydrates. Basically, these are of two kinds, animal fats and vegetable oils. Animal fats included substances such as butter, ghee, lard, tallow, etc. Vegetable oils included substances produced from the seeds such as soybeans, sunflower, corn, peanut, etc. are the examples of vegetable oils. Many times we used fats and the vegetable are interchangeably. At room temperature, fats are solid while oils are liquid. Proteins. A body needs protein for growth and repair. There are many chemical substances in our body such as enzymes, hormones, etc. These are needed for the carried out various body processes. It is important component in all this function. This is also important for making bones, muscles, skin, cartilage and the blood. Good sources of proteins are milk, eggs, seafood, beans, etc. So you must have in your diet this kind of a food. Vitamins. These are needed for the potential protection from the body from the diseases. We also perform different function in our body. Example, vitamin E is important for maintaining healthy eye, skin. Vitamin C helps to protect from the body from the diseases. Vitamin D it produces vitamin D with the help of sunlight. This helps to the body obtain calcium and similar minerals from the food. These are essential food for the growth and the maintenance of the teeth and the bones. Some sources of vitamins are milk, egg, fish, sunlight, green leaves vegetables, fruits, etc. But don't get direct sunlight because it is harmful. early in the morning sunrise. Minerals. These require in the small quantity but are very important for the proper growth and the maintenance of the body. It helps in the reduces in the body processes such as digestion system, nervous system, etc. Many minerals are required for making body structures such as teeth, blood, bones, skin, hair, muscles, etc. Iron is an important part of our blood which is obtained from the green vegetables, lentils, beans, fruit, examples like and watermelon, apple and watermelon. Calcium is needed for the bones and the teeth. It is obtained from the milk and the eggs. Iodine is needed for thyroid hormone, that is which is also needed for chemical carrying out chemical processes, which is we get in from iodized salt, milk, ginger, leafy vegetable, fish and other seafood. So you must include seafoods in your diet. Dietary fibers. These are also called as roughage. It is not a nutrient giving food, but it helps in the removal of waste material from the body. Dietary fibers help to maintain the body, which is digestive system healthy, which we get from the food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables. Water. Water is necessary for obtaining necessary nutrients from the food. It is essential maintaining temperature of our body. The excess temperature is released outside through body with the help of sweat. It also helps from the remove unwanted and harmful substances outside the body through sweat and urine. With also help with the conversion of food into sources. In the other sources after water can we obtain. Same is water, tea, coffee, soft drinks, cooked food, etc. are the sources of water. Children, note down further points which you are seen on the screen. That is, now we are able to see over here, that is, excess of amino acid obtained from the proteins are not stored in the body. They are broken down and amino formed is eliminated out of the body is necessary. Excess of protein are converted into other useful substances like glucose through the process of gluconeogenesis. Plant produce the necessary amino acid from the minerals de novo and thereby produce different proteins. An enzyme ribosco present in the plant chloroplast is the most abundant protein found in the nature. Now you will know what is the full form of ribosco. So ribosco is nothing but the ribulose 1,5 biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase, better known as ribosco, is an enzyme that is catalyzed first major step. An enzyme present in the plant chloroplast involved in the fixed atmospheric carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and in oxygenation of the resulting compound during photosynthesis is known as ribosco. So you must have to write down this with the full form of ribosco. I hope you understand this phenomenon. If you have a doubt, so ask me in the comment box. Otherwise, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please turn on the bell notification for all. Whenever I will upload the video, you will get the notification. Thank you.